Meme tokens are high risk, high reward. 99% of the meme coins I see are complete garbage. I am never going to talk about these on my channel because they don't pass my criteria for posting a video. But today I wanted to take a minute to talk about one project that does. A lot of you guys have been tagging me about this project on Twitter. So if you follow me there, you want me to talk about a project, just tag me on Twitter. A lot of you guys have been commenting about this in the YouTube's channel. So I thought, you know what? Let's take a minute to talk about this project. I don't own any, but I want to make a video giving you my opinions on it. Right now, the overall crypto market is seeing a couple of interesting things happening. We have seen that Bitcoin's price has pushed back above $50,000 per coin, and the overall market looks to be in a better place after we saw that flash crash. And a couple of interesting things are happening. First is TechDev on Twitter came out and showed us that right now, the overall crypto market cap has continually made higher lows and flipped resistance to support for months. So he said, let's do it again above the white line. What we are seeing is right now, we have seen that Bitcoin and the entire crypto market has seen this flash crash take place. And this has turned a lot of the sentiment into very fearful and extreme fear for the market. But we have seen a lot of buying pressure. You can see this long candlestick, this long tail right here, showing we had a lot of buying pressure, pushing and supporting Bitcoin's price and the entire crypto market. So this is very key moving forward. Are we going to see this support form around that 2.75, right around there, $1 trillion market cap for Bitcoin and the entire crypto market? Or are we going to see that prices continue to drop? If we see prices continue to rise and we see that support form, that is the best time to get into any of these meme coins because these are high risk, high reward. Meme coins always outperform the market when we're seeing a bull run as long as you pick the right one. But historically, if you get into a meme coin at the most fearful time of the market, when the market is a little bit uncertain, as long as things turn around, things are looking good, well, that is the best time to get into any of these meme coins. So the coin I wanted to talk about today is called Dogedi. I don't own any, but I was tagged a lot on Twitter about this coin, so it met all of my qualification standards for doing a video. So Dogedi is a coin that combines cryptocurrency, Jedi, makes me think of Star Wars, but combines both of those things. A couple of very interesting things are happening with this project. Is first, they just launched on PancakeSwap, but when doing a little bit of digging, I saw that they already have 33,000 followers on Twitter, which is absolutely insane for a project that just launched. This doesn't mean anything. It is very exciting, but this doesn't mean anything. Anyone can have a lot of followers on Twitter. Doesn't make it a good project. What made it an interesting project for me is, first of all, how strong the community is. Second of all, what's going on with, made me think of Star Wars. There's always new Star Wars movies coming out basically every year, and a couple of other things with verification and things like that, which we'll dive into in a minute. But so this coin, there are a couple of important things I want to go over. First is, like I said, it combines crypto with Star Wars, Jedi. That's what it makes me think of. Everyone who is involved in the Star Wars, who likes that, I think will want to buy this coin. Second thing is that this coin is complete, has all of the certifications. So many people think that if a project, a meme coin, a brand new crypto, has the pictures and the faces of the founders on the website, that makes them KYC verified. They have they're a trustworthy project. But in reality, anyone could put pictures on a website. It might not even be their real pictures, and that doesn't mean anything. So I did a bit of digging, and I've learned from that in the past, but I did a bit of digging, and I found that their team is actually 100% KYC with SolidProof, which is a top-notch certification company under the European laws and regulations. So it's not that they have their pictures on the website, but SolidProof has all of the required documents from their founders. It has all physical addresses, passports, forms of ID of the developers of Dogedi. So that means they can't just go run off, do a rug pull, scam people of their money. They have to be in compliance, basically, with European laws and regulations. So that's the first thing. You could see SolidProof Certificate of Compliance from November 15th, 2021. You could go ahead, check it on SolidProof, and check out their certification. I can link it down below. Second thing is that they've also been audited by TechRate. TechRate, it's a little easier to do this verification than it is with SolidProof. I think SolidProof is much more important, that they have all of the passports, IDs, things like that of the founders. But with TechRate, it's also important because it shows that this project has been, checked out. And you could see we'll click on this right here. You could see that Tech Rate has this whole report on them. You can see Dogedi been checked. Blockchain is Binance Smart Chain. You can see everything about them with their audit right here. So they also have this audit report, very important. And so both of these things are important. I've learned from in the past, and it's important that companies and meme coins especially have both of these things. And this SolidProof KYC is not always the most common. So seeing this makes me very excited. Next thing I want to talk about is going to be what is going on with tokenomics. And some things with avatars. So what we can see is that right now, like I said, this token is available on PancakeSwap. I'll link everything down below. But there's 2 or 3 things with tokenomics that are pretty exciting about this project. Obviously, I think the community connecting like Star Wars, Jedi, and crypto is unmatched. Like that's the most important, one of the most important buying points of this. But what we're seeing is Dogedi, symbol Dogedi, is a BNB, like it's built on Binance Smart Chain. Important thing about this is that everyone always sees Ethereum, how high gas fees are, and it turns people away from investing in many projects because who wants to spend $100 on a transaction when getting into a project? No one. No one does. No one does. So with this one being on Binance Smart Chain, much lower gas fees. That's the first thing in terms of like tokenomics. The second thing is they have this feature called Death Star. It's a buyback function, and essentially what it is every single time that there is, essentially what it is the Dogedi Auto Boost or Death Star function is funded by a strategic buyback fee of 6%. Tokens that are collected from this fee are converted into BNB, securely locked and stored in Dogedi contract, and these funds are known as Dogedi's strategic reserves. So essentially, this is one of the first crypto projects out there that I've at least seen where they are actually buying back their own tokens, and whatever they're buying back, it's burned. So that is how this Death Star function works. They buy back tokens. These tokens are then burned. So it helps reduce the supply, make it a deflationary mechanism for the project. The second thing is that also they implement rewards for holders. Right now, holders are auto-staked instantly, receiving 4% of transaction volume in BNB. So we talk about a lot of rewards tokens on the channel before. These rewards tokens work where if you hold a coin, well, then you get paid out in another coin. And with Dogedi, if you own Dogedi, well, you get paid out 4% of all daily transaction like volume in the form of BNB. So it is a Binance Smart Chain rewards token, like a BNB rewards token. So that is also very cool because it's not just that owning Dogedi is for the benefit of that one meme coin. It's also that you get paid every single hour, I believe. Is it every hour? I believe it's every single hour you get paid in BNB for simply holding the coin. So that also is another positive. So like I said, we have this auto buyback function. We have these rewards which are paid out every single hour to holders, and also we have other burning features. So it has all these aspects. It has deflationary mechanisms in place. It has the aspect of being completely KYC, like verified. It has this audit report. It has the community of like Star Wars combined with crypto. So all these things make me excited about this project. Like I said, I don't own any of it, but it checks all the boxes. And a lot of you guys have always said, why don't you talk about meme coins anymore? Why don't you talk about Dogecoin? Why don't you talk about Shiba Inu? So I try to include these from time to time. But this one seems like it checks off all the boxes for me. They have a lot of followers on Twitter. They have all the verifications you need. And they just recently launched, already have 30,000 followers. So let me know your thoughts on this project. Like I said, meme coins are high risk, high reward. But let me know your thoughts. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. See ya.